guys, I am so sorry. I've been trying to post, but my recording program isn't working. So today we are going to be showing you how to customize your screen on Roblox. As you can see, I have this. No one has, like, when you start in, you don't have that. See, Roblox zeroed people. Now if I just remove that, see? Okay, that does not look good. But so it's white and stuff now. Boom. Pow. See? So this app's called Stylish. It's pretty good. And now, so you can see all these. You can put them on. It's pretty cool. Cat ears. Start now. No thanks. So it might ask you to install some stuff. I wouldn't recommend doing it, but I get like the free ones. Like, yeah, take me there. See? Cute, right? Can't really see him, but like, yeah. If you love cats, you can go to Roblox. Thumbnail. I don't know how to type in, but I can go like that. See? As you can see. Wait, where's cat? Oh, wait, take me there. No. Oh. That doesn't look so good. How scam. So yeah, if you want to look up anime, see, pretty cool. I have this for YouTube. Yep. Do you want to look up something certain? Go like, I want to look up Goku, right? Look at this man. Oh my god. Wait, I want this for my, like, is it, wait. Huh? What is happening? Oh. Alright, so now it's actually, yeah, take me there. No. But yeah. Find more. Alright, so I want some Naruto papers. Naruto. So we got sometimes it might not work. Mine right now is pretty glitchy, but hold on. Yeah, hurts. You okay? You okay, Yaya?
Yes, I'm okay.
Right. So.
Okay.
Ooh. So. Roblox. Yeah, I want to play this game. Oh, that's so cool. Bro, that's so cool. So yeah, this is Stylish, not getting sponsored. Repeat, not getting sponsored. Oh, but I do like this one better. Not me. Yes. Alright, well, that's it for this video. It's how to do Stylish, I guess. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.